Hello everyone, my name is Pierre-Alexandre Jancour and I am the CRM Factory Director for Michelin.
Hello, my name is Deema and I'm the CTO for Salesforce for Michelin.
Everybody knows Michelin as a tire company. We design and distribute the most suitable tires, services, and solutions for our clients. We also provide digital services, maps and guides, and develop high-technology materials that serve a variety of industries. Our long-term strategy is about creating a sustainable growth with, around, and beyond tire. For this, digital is a key enabler. Over the past few years, we have been focused on the customer experience. For this, Engage is one of the CRM initiatives towards more customer centricity and intimacy. We are bringing up to life a real ecosystem providing digitalized and augmented experience to customer and employee. With Engage, it's all about sharing information, customer, partners, employee working together on the same platform. This platform relies heavily on data and leverage Salesforce.com.
We have one of the largest Salesforce deployment worldwide. We have 8,000 internal users deployed across Sales and Service Cloud. We have 100,000 B2B customers accessing our Experience Cloud and B2B commerce. We manage more than 1 million customers' identities. That translates into a massive amount of data with 800 GB of records, 7,000 Salesforce objects, 3.3 terabyte of files. Salesforce is a critical asset for Michelin, so we needed the right backup and restore partner. With 30 teams working in parallel, we needed a strong seeding solution. We needed as well a solution to ensure data privacy at scale.
We had a strong partnership with Salesforce, and we wanted a partner that was sharing the same value, and they recommended Odaseva. After evaluation, it was the best choice for our enterprise needs. They answer all our needs with one single platform that offers security, scale, and control. We are a security company. We like that they are a no-view provider. They cannot see our data. We have one centralized org with important volumes of data. And Odaseva specializes in large data volume with some patents that make them the fastest. Our org is rich and specific. Odaseva solution allows the control to configure based on our exact needs.
We're using multiple products from Odaseva suite. The most important for us is backup and restore. We cannot afford to lose critical data for more than 1 hour. High-frequency backups for critical objects are incredibly helpful because they reduce our restore point objective, our RPO. Another important one is sandbox data masking. Respecting our customer private information is very important to Michelin. Due to the massive deployment, it was very important for us to have an automated solution to mask our customer data in the sandbox. We're also using as well sandbox seeding. We have more than 100 developers across 30 teams working in parallel. They need a very specific set of data containing complete parent and child relationship. Odaseva does that with the press of a button. The last one, data lifecycle, allow us to, as a global company, we comply with a range of data management policies. Odaseva data lifecycle enable us to manage personal data at scale, including anonymization, purging, and archiving. Backup was ready on day one because Odaseva offers managed backup service. Odaseva is not only a solution, but a team of experts that are supportive, not only on a technical, but also on a compliance aspect of the solution deployment. We have benefited from the support of a consultant during the first 6 months of implementation to refine our strategy. As a CTO, I'm very thankful with the partnership we have with Odaseva.
And for the future, what we want is to keep leveraging all the capabilities that are provided by the platform and fine-tuning with them our data strategy and policy.